All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, playing it safe, going with the Galaxy S20 Plus. I heard a lot of bad things about the Ultra, and I had no intention of getting the Ultra anyway. It was either the small version, and decided to go ahead and get this one. So I'm gonna crack it open here, and I'll give you a first impressions. It's a really good size right here and everything. It's gonna be nice. You know, you get the regular, you get the headphones, charger, and USB-C. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, this is a 128 gig model. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and then the next part of the video is gonna be my first impressions. And that's what I'm gonna do. I got some cases and stuff obviously to review later, but the phone definitely feels good, and I think I'm gonna probably enjoy this. We'll see how it works, but let's get this set up and I will be right back. All right, guys, so here we are with the Galaxy S20 Plus rear camera. Now, both cameras, front and rear, record in 4K at 60 frames per second, but this is a test of the rear. And I'll switch to the front now because, like I said, it can do 4K at 60 as well, so let's swap it around. All right, so here is the front camera, 4K 60, and, you know, I'm looking at the viewfinder, and it looks really good, like most Samsung phones look. I'm gonna push this phone through the paces and give it all I can give in order to give you guys the best coverage of the device. So let's get back into, let's do some first impressions now that you saw a couple of photos and some video. All right, guys, so here it is, the Galaxy S20 Plus. So far, you know, I think the cameras are great. From my experience in taking photos on it, I'm not seeing any issues. I'm not actually looking for problems, but I'm not actually having any issues either. So I'm set right now. I don't have any problems with it. The phone performs really fast. It's a Snapdragon 865. It's good. The build quality on here is to be expected, just like it feels like if you've ever had an A71 or A70, you're holding this phone right here. It just has a different camera set up on the back if you have the A70. But other than that, you know, this feels exactly like the size and an in-hand feel of a Galaxy S71. Fantastic. It's not too big, not too small. Got a full screen. You know what I'm saying? That's really nice. But my first impressions of it are really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover as much of this as I can, and just give it to you like I always do. Now, I haven't been in commission for probably 5 days or 4 days, and I probably won't be for another 3 to 4 to 5 days. I don't know when I can push the next video out, but as you can see, I have a new office. Everything's whole new place. This is going to be the new office. You're getting a sneak peek of it now. I'm not done with it. I got a whole bunch of other stuff to put up and brand new, you know, so we're good to go. I'll be making some changes in other parts of my channel, but this is where you're going to see me with my live streams and everything pretty much shooting in this place right here. So I've got all the mood lights and everything. It's going to be really sweet. My 5K Mac is back there, and the other Mac Mini is over here with a nice big setup for the 34-inch widescreen. Speakers, it's set up really nice. So if you're wondering why I haven't been responding to messages, that's why. I've been taking care of personal business first. But I wanted to stop and give you guys the unboxing of this phone. And the speakers sound good, the cameras are good, the performance is good. You know, the battery I'm still testing, but I think the battery is going to be pretty good. And one other surprising, shocking news, I had to leave T-Mobile after 25 years because my new house does not have T-Mobile service. And so I was really bummed out. But good thing for me is I buy a bunch of unlocked phones, so that's a huge plus, so it doesn't matter. So I don't have to do too much to get, you know, that's not going to change. But the T-Mobile service sucked in my new house. I can't believe it. And I was just totally shocked. So I switched to one of the two carriers where it's really good over here. So I switched to AT&T, so I'm now officially a part of the AT&T family. I still have Google Fi, which actually works really good in my house, to my surprise. I think it's jumping onto either the Sprint tower or the Cellular One tower, because the T-Mobile service in here is like non-existent. And then my Verizon phone works fantastic no matter where I'm at in this house. So T-Mobile, I would have had to rely on Wi-Fi everything, and I'm not doing that. So there you have it. It's your man Jay. Black Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. Officially a part of AT&T. Officially got a new giant crib. Super happy. I got a brand new office. Brand new. I'm pumped. And I'll continue to bring you guys the footage that you saw previously to me moving around. So hope you guys enjoy, man. I might do like a desk tour or something like that later. I don't know. It's the same stuff. It just looks better. You know, it's in a better setting. So I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this first impressions and reintroduction, you know what I'm saying, to my new spot and sneak peek over here. So I've been running around, so I just threw this in this case here, this in case. I got a lot of cases and everything. Shout out to my man Carl for hooking it up. And I got a Whitestone Dome. I got a bunch of things like normal, but if you don't see any videos from me, just keep watching this video for the next few days and keep chatting and talking it up in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.